Hello. Thought I would turn the camera on real quick. I'm about to do the 10-step handling with the puppies and give them a little show off. My name's Rachel, if you don't know. Let's see. I'm sitting right next to the whelping box, so I'm just going to grab them out of here and go through it. I realized I'm playing with fire because I decided to wear a white sweater, so for sure I will get pooped on. All right, so first I have Holly. Oh no, Mama, she's fine. Go sit down. Go sit down. All right, this is Holly. Cute little girl. Her hair is all getting fluffy. All right, so we're just gonna do our handling. We're gonna cover her eyes. That was fine. Put my finger in her mouth. Touch her nose and her ears. Run down her back. Little tail. Give her a little belly rub. And just on her paws. It's important because we're going to be trimming paws for her life. So we want them to be workable and just used to it. It helps with grooming later on because they will need it. I just love this girl. Well, I like them all, but love them all. All right, so that was Holly. All right, this is Bobbin. She's our little purple color female. Just lighter. Little brown nose. Her eyes are opening. All right, Bobbin. Cover her eyes. Touch your nose. Oh, big yawn. She's okay. So cute. I love how much of her face on this side says color. Hi. You're just a sweetie pie, huh? All right, Mama, I'll put her down. All right. Everybody in here is just starting to walk around. And we've introduced, I'll show you when I'm done. Not that anyone really wants to see it, but we've just introduced potty pads and they're a little over 2.5 weeks old. All right, let's do Woodford. This is Woodford. He's our orange color boy. All of our boys have brown noses. All of their eyes are coming. He's got a nice big white chest. Goes all the way up. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, hey. You spell Mama, huh? Oh, nope. Back up. All right. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Cover his eyes. Nose. She got my tripod. Ears. I know. So they are, I think, 19 days today. Get his paws. His back paws has little white tips. Belly rub. Oh, hey. And we'll just have him settle down before we put him down. Just like that, huh? Sorry, I'm probably annoying. The way that I'm talking. You just can't talk any other way. No. You can't see it, but Mom is like doing circles around my tripod, so we'll see if it stays up. All right. Let's see, I did you. Let's grab. Hey. This is Blanton. His eyes are the last to start opening. He's got an, it's okay. White chest. It's super dark fella. I know. I know. Okay. Cover his eyes. Touch his nose. Run fingers. His mouth. His ears. This probably seems monotonous after a while, but it's so important. His back, his tail, and we're gonna, oh, give him a belly rub. Hi, sweet boy. I know, you're such a good boy. Yes. Oh, he is hanging on. I have not had them do that before. There we go. Okay, here, let's do this. How about that? Yeah. All right, I'll put you down. This is, she doesn't have a collar right now. This is our pink collar girl, Venice. It's got a black nose. She is getting darker as time goes on. She is mostly white in the back. Her color's on this side. Hi. All right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, good. Mom, you need to move. Thank you. Ooh, begin. Ears. Ears. Give your belly rub in circles. Ooh, yes, I know. Obligatory puppy kiss. I might speed this up, we'll see. I know, probably kind of boring at some point, but. This is Chantilly, or Tilly, that's what we call her. She's our yellow collar girl. Dark little girl. She's our smallest. So a little white chest. And I think hers also goes up. All right, you ready? Hi, sweetie. Hello. Let's do you. Cover your eyes. Your nose. Ears. Down in the back. Belly rub. Mom keeps hopping in now. They're like, hey, this isn't right. All right, little Miss Holly. Holly. Tilly. I know. I know. Okay. You were very calm for all that. All right, my last little guy's going to the bathroom, so I'm gonna let him do that before I pick him up. All right. This is Makers. I know, hello. He's like, I don't know about this. Isn't he just, oh, his brown nose. I love a brown nose. And then he's also gonna hang on to me. He has got really cool markings. I say that every time I hold him up because I think it every time. Okay. Let's go. Cover the eyes. Let's do the nose. I know, what do you think? Yeah, just lay down. Good mama. Wrap the belly. Okay, hold on. I know. Good boy. Okay. All right. Like I said earlier, I think I might have to look at the calendar, but I think they're real close. 19 days, I think, is what they are today. All right, and I'm gonna take off. Let's see if I can. A shot inside here. You can see that we've added the potty pads in, and they have already started using them. Not even quite 3 weeks. This is the step before we add our litter pans in. Make it easier for them to travel over to. Anyway, I hope you liked the shot of them. We'll do more later. Bye.